Let's see how to fix iPad unavailable with iTunes. In the first step, open Settings. Next, go to Face ID and Passcode. Now tap on Disable Passcode. In the next step, launch iTunes on your PC. Now, link your iPad with a USB cable. Later, pick your device in iTunes. In the next step, tap on Summary in iTunes. Then choose Restore iPad. Next, approve the request. In the next step, open Settings. Now select Apple ID. Next, tap on Logout. In the next step, launch iTunes on your PC. After that, tap on Check for update. After that, complete the steps shown. You are good to go.